Welcome back to the Mindset Forex. So you guys, you knew that we have been taking a challenge to compound or scale up our account from $20 to $52,000. And in the last video, we have successfully completed the level 18. And right now in this video, we will try to complete the level 19. The balance that we need to complete the level 19 is $2,249. And right now our current balance is $2,122. This is the graph. As you can see that we started with the $20, and we have the curve is I would say that it's quite up and down, and we have sometimes lose like more than 50% of the account complete this level. But so far right now we are doing great, and the total levels is 30, and we are almost like complete two-thirds of the account, the levels that we to complete this challenge. So let's try to take few trades and try to complete this level. We have successfully completed the level 19, and we just took a one trade, and it was a 1 hour trade, and our balance just right now is $2,347. It was a good trade. This was a fair value gap. I just see a candle here, and then I see a strong bearish candle which had almost completed the previous bullish candle. I took a trade here. It was going up and down, up and down. I took a 50% here at this candle, and it was soon after taking a take profit one. It was it goes up and hit our break even. Well, I'll see you in our next video. Keep watching these videos, keep subscribing, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.